Hello everyone, hope you all are safe in this pandemic situation. We are living in a digital era. We can connect and operate every single things in every corner of the globe. This is possible by the grace of mankind through internet of things, artificial intelligence, cloud computing and so on. Yes, I am talking about Industry 4.0. We have to know what Industry 4.0 is and what are the scope of engineers in Industry 4.0. I am Suprakash Mondal, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, Bankura, West Bengal. Actually, whatever we taught as per our curriculum is tends to obsolete in modern digital era. That is why central government proposed a new education policy as per our modern needs, where the modern study has nowhere we have to know the interdisciplinary area like IoT, AI, data science, machine learning and so on. Whatever your discipline is, as an engineer you have to know all the things in near future. Industry 4.0 is a term first coined in Germany in 2011 to describe the computerization of manufacturing regarded as the fourth industrial revolution. Before going to details, we have to understand how exactly manufacturing has evolved since 18th century. There are four distinct industrial revolutions that the world either has experienced or continues to experience today. The first industrial revolution happened between the late 17th century and early 18th century. During this period of time, manufacturing evolved from focusing on manual labor performed by people and aided by work animal to a more optimized form of labor performed by people through the use of water and steam powered engines and other types of machine tools. In the early part of the 20th century, the world entered a second industrial revolution with the introduction of steel and use of electricity in factories. The introduction of electricity enabled manufacturer to increase efficiency. During this phase, that mass production concepts like the assembly line were introduced as a way to boost productivity. Starting in the late 1950s, a third industrial revolution slowly began to emerge as manufacturers began incorporating more electronic and eventually computer technology into their factories. During this period, manufacturers began experiencing a shift that put less emphasis on analog and mechanical technology and more on digital technology and automation software. In the past few decades, a fourth industrial revolution has emerged, known as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 takes the emphasis on digital technology from recent decades to a whole new level with the help of interconnectivity through Internet of Things, access to real-time data and the introduction of cyber-physical system. Industry 4.0 offers a more comprehensive, interlinked and holistic approach to manufacturing. It connects physical with digital and allows for better collaboration and access across department, partners, vendors, products and people. Industry 4.0 is a transformation that makes it possible to gather and analyze data across machines, enabling faster, more flexible and more efficient processes to produce higher quality goods at reduced cost. This manufacturing revolution will increase productivity, shift economics, faster industrial growth and modify the profile of the workforce, ultimately changing the competitiveness of companies and regions. Advanced digital technology is already used in manufacturing, but with Industry 4.0, it will transform production. It will lead to greater efficiencies and change traditional production relationship among suppliers, producer and customer, as well as between human and machine. 9 technology trends form the building block of Industry 4.0. Number 1, big data and analytics. In an Industry 4.0 context, the collection and comprehensive evaluation of data from many different sources, production equipment and system, as well as enterprise and customer management system, will become standard to support real-time decision making. Next, autonomous robots. Robots will eventually interact with one another and work safely side by side with humans and learn from them. These robots will cost less and have a great range of capability than those used in manufacturing today. Then, simulation. Simulations will be used more extensively in plant operation to leverage real-time data and mirror the physical world in a virtual model, which can include machines, products and humans. This will allow operator to test and optimize the machine setting for the next product in line in the virtual world before the physical changeover, thereby driving down machine setup time and increase quality. Next, horizontal and vertical system integration. With Industry 4.0, companies, department, function and capabilities will become much more cohesive as cross-company, universal data integration network evolve and enable truly automated value chains. Fifth one is the Industrial Internet of Things, that means IIoT. Industry 4.0 means that more devices, sometimes including unfinished products, will be enriched with embedded computing. This will allow field device to communicate and interact both with one another and with more centralized controller as necessary. It will also decentralize analytics and decision making, enabling real-time responses. Next one is cyber security. With the increased connectivity and use of standard communication protocols that comes with Industry 4.0, the need to protect critical industrial system and manufacturing lines from cybersecurity threats increasing dramatically. As a result, secure, reliable communication as well as sophisticated identity and access management to machines and user are essential. Seventh, the cloud. More production related undertaking will require increasing data sharing across sites and company boundaries. At the same time, the performance of cloud technology will improve, achieving reaction time of just several milliseconds. As a result, machine data and functionality will increasingly be deployed to the cloud, enabling more data-driven service for production systems. Then, additive manufacturing. Companies have just begun to adopt additive manufacturing such as 3D printing, which they use mostly to prototype and produce individual components. With Industry 4.0, these additive manufacturing methods will be widely used to produce small batches of customized products that offers construction advantage such as complex, lightweight design. Final one is augmented reality. Augmented reality based systems support a variety of services such as selecting a parts in a warehouse and sending repair instruction over mobile devices. These systems are currently in their infancy, but in near future, companies will make much broader use of augmented reality to provide workers with their real-time information to improve decision making and work procedures. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share to educate about Industry 4.0. You can find more technical video in our channel. Stay safe and stay well.